In this example, we're going to be using inductive reasoning. Given three sequences, which are very specific, we are going to predict the next three terms in the sequence. We use this prediction in a general way to establish what those next three sequences are, the next three terms in the sequence are, and so that's why this is inductive reasoning. So let's look at letter A. Given the sequence 22, 37, 52, 67, predict the next three terms in the sequence. So we can see the sequence is increasing. Is it increasing by addition or is it increasing by multiplication? Let's start with trying addition. From 22 to 37, we will add 15. So 22 plus 15 is 37. "37 plus 15 is 52. So we're adding 15 in this sequence. 52 plus 15 is 67. 67 plus 15 gives us 82. 82 plus 15 gives us 97. 97 plus 15 gives us 112. And so the next three terms in the sequence are 82, 97, and 112. Letter B. Given the sequence 47, 37, 27, 17, predict the next three terms in the sequence. So we can see these are decreasing, and how much are they decreasing by? They are decreasing by 10. So 47 minus 10 gives us that 37. 37 minus 10 gives us that 27. 27 minus 10 gives us that 17. Let's do the next three. 17 minus 10 gives us 7. 7 minus 10 gives us negative 3. And negative 3 minus 10 gives us negative 13. And so the next three terms in the sequence are 7, negative 3, and negative 13. The last sequence is a little bit more tricky. 16, 25, 41, 66, 107. So it definitely is increasing, but the gaps are a little bit different. They're not equal like letter A in terms of increasing, and they're not being multiplied. There's nothing I can multiply 16 by in this case to get 25 and have that same pattern that I multiply by 25 to get 41. So there's nothing there. There's another known sequence called the Fibonacci sequence. And so the Fibonacci sequence says this. We start with the numbers 1 and 1 in the first two of the sequence, and we add those together to get the third number. Then we take the next two numbers, 1 and 2, we add those together to get the fourth number. And then we add those two numbers, those previous numbers, 2 and 3, to get the next number, 5. And then we take those two numbers, 3 and 5, to get the next number. And so this is a recursive sequence. This same idea applies down to this one. 16 plus 25 gives us that 41. 25 plus 41 gives us 66. 66 plus 41 gives us that 107. And so the next would be to add 66 plus 107. And that next term would be 173. We now want to take 107 and add it to 173. So 107 to 173, and That will give us 280. Now we want to take 173 plus 280 to get the next number in the sequence. 3, 15, and that is 4. So the next number would be 453. So this is the Fibonacci sequence, which is recursive. It's based on the previous two entries being added together.